Hello everybody, today we are visiting Old Oak Common railway station. This is the new railway station in West London that will be the new transfer hub between High Speed 2 and existing national rail lines. But before we get into that, if you like what you see, do hit that subscribe button with a new channel because it will help make future videos better. Now on to what you came here for. Old Oak Common will be a new hub between High Speed 2 and the Great Western Main Line, and is currently under construction on the site of Old Oak Common Traction Maintenance Depot. So the west of London in Old Oak Common itself is approximately 1/3 of a mile from Willesden Junction Station. When built, it is expected to be one of the largest rail hubs in London, at about half a mile in length and 20 metres below the surface. And it will take trains from London Euston up to places such as Birmingham, Manchester, Liverpool and Scotland. The Elizabeth line also has one of its main depots in the area as well. Planning permission was granted in May 2020, and in the subsequent year, July 2021, construction started. So this here is a video of how work has been progressing over the course of the last year. In the shot now we can see us overpassing the Elizabeth line depot, where they keep their class 3, 4, 5 units. Old Oak Common is slated to have a total of 14 platforms. There will be 6 450 metre platforms for the high speed line, built underground, which connect with the 8 conventional rail platforms at ground level, serving the Great Western Main Line towards the West Country, and Wales and Heathrow Express, as well as integrating the new East-West Elizabeth line services. It will also have 44 escalators and 52 lifts, and will have a naturally lit concourse to create a pleasing passenger experience while reducing energy consumption. A 25,000 metre square atrium roof, inspired by the site's industrial heritage, will link the two halves of the station, also housing solar panels. The escalators linking the concourse to the platforms, 13.5 metres below, will be the longest on the High Speed 2 network. It is estimated that the station will serve 250,000 passengers per day and will ultimately connect with 8 of the UK's largest cities. The London Overground line, which you can just see a train in the top left of the picture, is also to have a new station called Old Oak Common Lane. This will also interchange with Old Oak Common Hub, along with Hythe Road for the London Overground West London line. There are also plans in the line for the Chiltern Main Line to have a branch off to Old Oak Common called Old Oak Lane Holt. But we'll see whether this one actually goes ahead. And the reason for the Chiltern Main Line to have a second terminus in London is because Marylebone is currently operating at capacity. But as I said earlier, this may not go ahead, as the same as when High Speed 1 was planned to link up with High Speed 2, and that was shelved. Where we can see the works taking place now, this is where the lines will run underneath the surface, and works are currently underway preparing the land to take the tunnels. The delivery of Old Oak Common is a joint venture between Balfour Beatty, Taylor Woodrow Construction and Sistra, which was awarded in September 2019. Initial groundwork started on the site in 2019 following the completion of the consultation. The station received renewed government backing in April 2020 following the Ochre review, which allowed work to begin on removing 900,000 metres cubed of London clay to create the space required for the 0.62 long rectangular station box at a depth of 20 metres. The piling alone will require the removal of a further 175,000 metres cubed, making a total of more than 1 million metres cubed of excavated material. In the picture now is the beginnings of a conveyor belt. This is used to take the excavated material to Willesden Euro Terminal railhead to be taken away. On the screen now we can see an Elizabeth line service making its way to Paddington. These trains are currently terminating in the surface platforms and are not going all the way through the core section. This is due to be opened later on in the year. Whilst running the other way we can see a service bound for Heathrow. And over the back in this picture as well, we can see the Hitachi depot as well, for the Class 800s, the Great Western. And this angle perfectly illustrates how complex this construction project is, with the Regent's Canal running parallel to the work area. Old Oak Common has a target completion and opening date in 2026. With works commencing at such a pace, it does look like they will achieve their opening date. And with that, I am done talking now. So if you've come this far, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to leave you with some pleasing shots from the overhead of Old Oak Common. If you've liked what you've seen, do hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.